What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today we're going to be talking about car washing and how it can be a great side income business. Before we get started, make sure you guys go down below, leave that like, we would really appreciate it, and let's get into it. So guys, this is our second installment of the Side Hustle series, where we basically try to give you guys good knowledge and a pretty good synopsis of different side hustles that you can try out and try to earn some extra money. Last time we did dog walking. Today we're going to be doing car washing. Let's see if it's something you want to pursue. If you love cars, car washing is potentially a great option for you to make some side income. Who knows what kind of cars you'll be washing. And obviously, if you don't like cars, it's honestly fine. If you want to make the extra money and you think there's good opportunity, take it. So let's start out first with the business model of car washing. It's very simple. Literally, customers just pay you money to wash their car. The prices usually stay the same no matter what vehicle it is. However, upcharges are also a big part of the business. We'll get into that later, such as, waxing, polishing, vacuuming. We'll get into all that. So let's get into the requirements to be a car washer. Well, the great thing about it is that you can be any age. A lot of these business ideas that we give you, you gotta be 18. For car washing, as long as you have a vehicle, even if it's a bike and you're 12, as long as you have a vehicle to get around town, you're good to go with your car washing. It is important to keep in mind that you're obviously gonna have to know how to wash a car, and not just know how to wash a car, but how to wash it well, right? Because you wanna give your customers a good job. You want them to refer you to their friends. So you're probably thinking, washing a car, it's a cakewalk, right? However, really in a car washing business, if you want to succeed, if you want to make in some real extra money, I would definitely recommend learning how to wax, polish, and vacuum cars well. It'll be way more worth your time, trust me. To start up your car washing business, you're gonna make a small initial investment. With car washing, you're constantly gonna be needing to refill your products, but to start out, here's some materials that you need to start out, and in total, you can actually start a car washing business for around $70 or less. This is, of course, not including marketing, which is what we're gonna get into now. So guys, marketing for car washing is just like any other side hustle really nowadays. Do it online. Facebook Marketplace is a great place to reach out to your local community and offer them your services. When it comes to car washing, you can set up a little ad. You don't even really have to have a name for your business. Just offer cheap prices. And here's a little trade trick. Go for days that are rainy. Go for days that have just rained the day before, because a lot of people will be needing their car washed. That's the best days to advertise. So once you've marketed your car washing service, the next thing is making money, and making money efficiently. The key to efficiently making money in a car washing business lies on two things: speed and add-ons. Those are your two best friends in a car washing business. Speed is extremely important, because if you're like everybody else in the world who takes an hour to wash their car, it's not gonna work out well for you. You gotta learn to do this quick. I mean, that's really what all it depends on, because let's say you're washing a car for $10 and it takes you an hour, and then you gotta put in, costs and gas. It's not worth it at that point. I think we can all agree. However, if you can do cars like that, it might be worth your time. Add-ons are a huge part of the car washing service business plan. It is absolutely, basically vital for you to learn some skills in add-ons. Waxing, polishing, and vacuuming are huge. In fact, I would even recommend that when you put your ad out for car washing, you don't even recommend or offer a car washing service. You recommend a full wax, polish, vacuum, and car wash. You might have your work cut out for you, but I think it'll be worth it. So instead of charging, let's say $6 to wash a car, you'll be charging more like $35 to $50 to do all that. And yeah, it'll take you much more time, but you'll be making a lot more money per hour, and it's just a lot better that way. So now, considering this is a side income, you probably don't want to spend your whole day washing cars. However, if you can just put away a few hours every, let's say Monday to Thursday, because nobody wants to do this on a Friday. Let's say you get 1 to 2 clients a day. You can make about $2,500 revenue in a single summer. That's pretty good in my opinion. Of course, there are costs. Ballpark, let's say you profit $1,500 in a summer for 10 hours of work a week. That's not bad, and I think it's worth it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this car washing service business. side hustle series video. I hope you guys took some value from it, and maybe next summer you'll even try to do it on your own. I really hope to see that out of some of you guys. Anyway, make sure you guys go down and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.